All India Radio. We now take you over to Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota, for a direct relay on the launch of Chandrayaan-1 spacecraft.
ये आकाशवाणी है। अब हम आपको सतीश धवन स्पेस सेंटर श्रीहरिकोटा लिए चलते हैं, जहां से आप चंद्रयान प्रथम अंतरिक्ष यान के प्रक्षेपण का आंखों देखा हाल सुन सकेंगे। आइए श्रीहरिकोटा चले।
आप सोच रहे होंगे कि आपको श्रोताओं शब्द से पुकारने के बजाय मैं क्यों बंधुओं शब्द का इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूं। मां भारती आज गर्व और संतोष से विकसित हैं, क्योंकि उसके कुछ सुत आज एक महान कार्य निभाने वाले हैं, चंद्रयान-1। उसके नाते हम सभी जो भारत माँ के पुत्र पुत्रियां हैं, छाती भर खुशी से खिले हुए हैं। अतः एक सुत चेन्नई आकाशवाणी का रामस्वामी सुदर्शन आपको बंधुओं शब्द से पुकारा है। राष्ट्रकवि सुब्रमण्य भारती ने प्रायः 80 साल पहले चंद्र मंडलत येल कंड तलिवोम शब्दों से प्रचंड घोषणा की थी, अर्थात हम चंद्रमंडल का निरीक्षण कर ज्ञान पाएं। महाकवि कालिदास ने भी कई पंक्तियों चंद्रमा के ऊपर लिख चुके हैं। ऋग्वेद में 15 से भी अधिक ऋक सोमदेव यानी कि चंद्रमा के ऊपर हैं। पुरुष सूक्त में चंद्रमा मनसो जाता अर्थात परब्रह्म के मुंह से उभरा चंद्रमा व्यक्त किया हुआ है। चांदनी रात से 14वीं का चांद तक कवियों की कल्पना लुटाने वाले चंद्रमा उसके समीप प्रस्थान होने वाला है। आज अभी कुछ ही क्षणों में वो है चंद्रयान-1, एक भारतीय सृष्टि। इस महान कार्य का वर्णन करने वाले वैज्ञानिक हैं बारी बारी से अंग्रेजी में डॉक्टर वी आदिमूर्ति व हिंदी में श्री N.K. गुप्ता। Friends, Indians and countrymen, I am Ramaswamy Sudarshan of All India Radio, Chennai, anchoring at Sriharikota, Shar, for the launch of Chandrayaan-1. The moon, with the history of the early solar system etched on it, beckons mankind from time immemorial to admire its marvels and discover its secrets. Understanding the moon provides a pathway to unravel the early evolution of the solar system and that of the planet Earth. Through the ages, the moon, our closest celestial body, has aroused curiosity in our mind much more than any other objects in the sky. This led to the scientific study of the moon, driven by human desire and quest for knowledge. Exploration of the moon got a boost with the advent of the space age, and the decades of 60s and 70s saw a myriad of successful unmanned and manned missions to the moon. Rigveda has more than 15 rigs upon the moon. Kalidasa, to every poet of substance, has been fascinated by the moon. Mother India's space scientists today are making us proud by foraying into the moon through Chandrayaan-1, which will be orbiting the moon in a few moments from now. The commentary on the live proceedings of this epoch-making event is brought to you by the scientists Dr. V.A. Adimurthy in English and Shri N.K. Gupta in Hindi. Over to the scientists both.
All the aspects of the mission readiness. The launch window for the vehicle takeoff opens at 6 hours 22 minutes 11 seconds, and we have a total launch window of 15 minutes, during which time the liftoff must take place. This means that the liftoff of PSLV C11 will take place between 6 hours 22 minutes and 6 hours 37 minutes. The timing of the launch is very important and critical for the Chandrayaan mission, the mission to the moon, in view of the stringent requirements for the arrival of the spacecraft near to the moon in the days ahead and the eventual maneuvers of lunar capture. We are confident that the liftoff will take place at the beginning of the window itself. That is, the liftoff is expected to take place soon. I request Dr. Gupta to give you a briefing about the vehicle.
थैंक यू डॉक्टर आदिमूर्ति। PSLV रॉकेट अपनी पूर्ण गर्मा के साथ प्रमोचन मंच पर है। यहाँ घने बादल छाए हुए हैं तथा बारिश भी हो रही है, लेकिन सफल उड़ान के लिए पूर्ण तैयारी है। इस उड़ान की उल्टी गिनती अभी से 49 घंटे पूर्व यानी सोमवार सुबह 5:22 पर शुरू हो चुकी है। प्रमोशन का समय 6:22 है। जरूरत पड़ने पर इसे 15 मिनट बाद तक भी छोड़ सकते हैं। इतने सही समय की जरूरत चंद्रयान के चंद्रमा की कक्षा में सही स्थान पर प्रस्थापित करने के लिए जरूरी है। 2 दिन पूर्व से चल रही इस उल्टी गिनती के दौरान 624 प्रतिक्रियाएं पूरी कर ली गई हैं तथा बाकी की 190 प्रतिक्रियाएं अगले क्षणों में पूरी की जाएंगी। T-15 मिनट पर मिशन डायरेक्टर उड़ान की अनुमति देंगे। यह अनुमति रॉकेट उपग्रह परिसर दूरमति एवं अनुवर्तन की जानकारी के बाद ही दी जाएगी। T-40 मिनट पर रॉकेट निदेशक स्वचालित प्रमोशन अनुक्रम की अनुमति देंगे। उसके बाद से सभी निर्णय समादेशों की देखरेख रॉकेट मुख्य कंप्यूटर से होगा। अब हम कुछ महीनों से चल रहे चंद्रयान मिशन की तैयारी के बारे में कुछ आपको दृश्य दिखाएंगे।
You can see a large number of scientists in the Mission Control Center carefully watching and discussing about the health of the launch vehicle and health of the spacecraft. From the initiation of the countdown 2 days ago, we have completed a series of meticulously orchestrated activities to get the mission ready for the launch. And the scientists here have been working day in and day out all these days. For the launch countdown point of view, there are exactly 814 specific activities to be successfully completed since the countdown began. At this moment, we have completed about 624 of these. The remaining activities will be completed in the next few minutes as per well laid out procedures. At T-15 minutes, the mission director will authorize to proceed with the launch. This authorization is given based on the readiness of the vehicle, Chandrayaan spacecraft with all its scientific payloads, the ground segment covering the range, and the telemetry and tracking command network.
हम कुछ महीनों से चल रहे चंद्रयान मिशन की तैयारी की एक वीडियो रिकॉर्ड दिखाएंगे। ये रिकॉर्डिंग 12 मिनट 30 सेकंड की है और इसमें सबसे पहले हमारे अंतरिक्ष अनुसंधान संगठन केंद्र के अध्यक्ष डॉक्टर जी माधवन नायर का संदेश होगा। इस कैप्सूल को देखेंगे, इसमें क्या क्या तैयारी इस रॉकेट के लिए की गई है।
Now bring to you a special capsule on the vehicle integration and Chandrayaan mission. At first, we have a short animation of the mission followed by a message by Dr. Madhavan Nair, Chairman ISRO. Let us wait for the capsule. Capsule is starting.
First mission to moon. We are going to send a spacecraft to the lunar orbit and with instruments loaded with scientific exploration. It's going to look at the lunar surface in detail. It's going to have the terrain features absorbed very closely, and also it look for the various mineral content on the surface. For the first time, the Indian scientific community has come forward with bright ideas, and the spacecraft instrumentation team as well as the spacecraft design team have translated this into a reality.
The launch campaign was very important. Launch campaign for this very important event has started on 21st July 2008 at the second launch pad SLP at the Satish Dhawan Space Center. The first module to arrive at the vehicle assembly building is the PS1 nozzle and segment, and already integrated with the base shroud. It's arriving, and the unit is positioned on the mobile launch pedestal MLP.
मिशन की तैयारी 21 जुलाई 2008 से शुरू हो चुकी थी। सबसे पहले PS1 नोजल अपने आधार सहित प्रमोशन मंच पर लाया गया। इसे मोबाइल प्रमोशन मंच पर रखा गया, जिसे हम MLP बोलते हैं।
Next, the first mid-segment assembly is going on. There are all 5 segments assembled, and the total first phase motor has around 139 tons of propellant.
इस रॉकेट मोटर में 5 खंड हैं और पांचों खंडों के जुड़ने के बाद PS1 में ठोस ईंधन का भार 139 टन हो जाता है।
This is the PS1 igniter being assembled.
PS1 के प्रज्वालक को जोड़ा गया था। अब आप इंटर स्टेज देख रहे हैं।
These are the strap-on motors.
ना PS1 के 6 स्ट्रैप मोटर्स हैं, इनकी तैयारी असेंबली हॉल में हो रही है।
The preparation of the integration of the PSOM XL strap-on motors going on. There are 6 XL strap-on motors. They have a canted nozzle.
ये 6 स्ट्रैप ऑन मोटर्स हैं, जिनको हम PSOM XL बोलते हैं। अभी आप देखेंगे ये जो स्ट्रैप ऑन मोटर है लगभग पूर्णता की ओर, और डायरेक्टर सार ने इसको हरी झंडी दी।
The strap-on motor flagged up for integration is moving for the integration.
अब ये स्ट्रैप ऑन अपने गंतव्य की ओर।
There is a lifting of the strap-on for integration.
ये स्ट्रैप ऑन रॉकेट की असेंबली बिल्डिंग है उसकी तरफ प्रस्थान कर रहा है। अब इस स्ट्रैप ऑन को इसके PS1 मोटर से जोड़ने की तैयारी।
It's being lifted into the vertical position for assembly. There are special strap-ons designed for this mission. This is an extended strap-on, stretched version. It has 3.4 meters additional length than the usual strap-on. This is required to increase the necessary payload for this mission. This is the vertical position, integrated, and other strap-ons are being lifted for integration.
ये 6 स्ट्रैप ऑन पहले इनके अंदर जो है 9 टन ईंधन होता था हर एक स्ट्रैप ऑन में। इस बार इनमें 12 टन ईंधन भरा है। इसकी वजह से इसकी लंबाई 3.4 मीटर ज्यादा हो गई है। ये चंद्रयान को इसके गंतव्य में कक्ष में पहुंचाने के लिए आवश्यकता थी इसकी। अब आप देख रहे हैं PSOM XL2, XL3 की असेंबली, XL5।
All the 6 motors are being assembled, and the assembly is coming to an end. This is the canted nozzle. This is XL5.
अब आप देख रहे हैं PS2 स्टेज, जिसमें द्रव ईंधन वाली दूसरी मंजिल है, इसको हम PS2 बोलते हैं। इस इंजन का जिम्बॉल का परीक्षण आप देख रहे हैं। इसमें इंजन की जिम्बॉल नोजल जिम्बॉल कर रही है।
This is the gimbal actuation system of the second stage being tested, and you see the further integration procedures going on.
अब द्वितीय चरण को प्रथम चरण से जोड़ा जा रहा है।
Second stage being integrated. First stage already assembled with the 6 strap-ons.
Now PS2 स्टेज की असेंबली पूर्ण हुई।
Second stage assembly has completed by now.
अब हम देख रहे हैं इसमें तृतीय चरण और चतुर्थ चरण दोनों को जोड़ा जा रहा है। चतुर्थ चरण में 2 इंजन लगे हैं जो आपको दिखाई दे रहे हैं काले रंग के।
The PS4 motor already assembled with PS3 motor is being assembled. You can see the 2 nozzles. You have seen the 2 nozzles that were there in the PS4 motor. The assembled unit is being integrated with the PS2 stage.
अब PS3
Now onwards, during the countdown, we have number of operations which we call them as real-time operations. And when the vehicle takes off, the tracking of the launch vehicle with 4 radars, the data, collection of all the data, processing of all the data, presenting it to the various people who have to take decisions like the safety officer and mission executives, and evaluating the performance of the vehicle, finally confirming the injection of the satellite into Earth's orbit. These are the operations which are covered under Shah's scope of work.
Mission which has been fully conceived and realized by our Indian scientists and engineers are concerned, and in this mission we are carrying our 6th science instrument fully conceived and realized by our Indian scientists and engineers are concerned, and over and above that we give an opportunity to fly some of the instruments coming from outside India, and over and above that we are going to make our presence felt in this mission itself, carrying a moon impact probe, carrying our tricolor, and that will show our presence when the first mission itself on the lunar side is concerned.
This is the preparation of the Chandrayaan spacecraft. Post-vibration and post-transportation testing going on.
अभी आपने चंद्रयान के निदेशक सिन्हा दुराई से इस बारे चंद्रयान के बारे में जानकारी प्राप्त की। ये चंद्रयान का ट्रांसपोर्ट के बाद परीक्षण किया जा रहा है श्रीहरिकोटा में। विदेशी वैज्ञानिक आप देख रहे हैं, 2 जंबल एंटीना आपके सामने है।
This is the solar planner deployment of the Chandrayaan. Chandrayaan has a single solar planner.
अब सोलर पैनल को खोला जा रहा है, इससे 700 वाट की ऊर्जा पैदा होगी। चंद्रमा पर उतरने वाले यंत्र का जुड़ना, इस यंत्र को हम MIP बोलते हैं। इस चित्र पर भारतीय नक्शा आपने देखा।
A moment ago you see we have seen the moon impact probe MIP assembled that sits on the top of the Chandrayaan spacecraft. Final checking of the spacecraft before integration with the vehicle. It is being moved for integration with the vehicle.
अब चंद्रयान को रॉकेट से जोड़ा जा रहा है।
Yes.
इस चंद्रयान का एक हिस्सा जो 29 किलोग्राम वजन का है, जिसे MIP बोलते हैं, वह चंद्रमा की सतह पर उतारा जाएगा आज से करीब 2 हफ्ते बाद।
What you are seeing here is the M3 Moon Mineralogy Mapper, one of the payloads on the Chandrayaan, and the integration is going on. The spacecraft integration with the vehicle.
अभी आपने देखा उपग्रह की रॉकेट से असेंबली पूरी हुई और वो उपग्रह को ऊष्मा कवच से ढका जा रहा है।
The payload fairings are being closed. Fully integrated vehicle at the vehicle assembly building, ready for launch.
This uniqueness of this specific vehicle, it has a higher payload capability, which can carry 1380 kgs of payload into elliptical orbit, highly elliptical orbit, which Chandrayaan needs. And this spacecraft, Chandrayaan, will be reaching the ultimate destination of Moon's orbit in a matter of 17 days after liftoff.
अब आप देख रहे हैं कि इस व्हीकल को, जो कि व्हीकल असेंबली बिल्डर तैयार की थी, इसको प्रमोशन मंच की तरफ ले जाया जा रहा है। ये 1 किलोमीटर की दूरी को लगभग 2 घंटे में पूरी की जाएगी।
The vehicle is being moved from the vehicle assembly building to the launch pad, SLP, the second launch pad of the Satish Dhawan Space Center. All the dignitaries following the vehicle.
This is the 11th operational mission of PSLV after 3 developmental flights. Its proven reliability has attracted many foreign payloads. These successes have encouraged us to tread on a new area of lunar orbit injection, for which we have a very good confidence.
अभी आपने मिशन डायरेक्टर का संदेश सुना। इस समय जो है व्हीकल अपने उम्बिलिकल टावर के पास पहुंच चुकी है
This is a fully assembled vehicle at the umbilical tower.
और अब हम उड़ान से सिर्फ 2 मिनट दूर हैं.
Okay. Okay. Now we are all the scientists at the Mission Control Center are closely watching the vehicle progress, and we are about
अब इस समय हम लॉन्च से लगभग बस 1 मिनट दूर हैं.
stand by for the time mark. Within 60 seconds, the vehicle launch is going to take place. Hundreds of vehicle parameters to ensure everything is perfect is being watched by all the scientists. There is a profound and intense feeling of expectation at every place. Let us watch for the liftoff in few seconds from now.
आज की यह उड़ान श्रीहरिकोटा से 27वीं उड़ान है और हमें सफल उड़ान का इंतजार है. थोड़ी देर में शुरू होने वाली है.
-30 seconds. Onboard computer is in flight mode. Real-time program activated. -25 seconds. VSP up. -20 seconds. PS1 ignition on. 15. PS1 ignition authorized. All the authorizations are being given. 9, all the parameters 8, are in 7 shape. 6. Vehicle is good health. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. +1. Yes. +2. The vehicle has lifted off.
Vehicle has lifted off.
Vehicle has lifted off.
रॉकेट की उड़ान शुरू हुई.
Ignition sequence normal and lift off normal. Auto tracking.
USO मोटर भी जलाई गई है.
Speedo tracking. RP tracking. +20 seconds. Now at the Mission Control Center, there is a great sound and reverberation of the launch of the PSLV C-11. The historic launch of the PSLV has taken place. You can see the vehicle soaring high into the sky majestically.
रॉकेट बहुत गड़गड़ाहट के साथ आकाश की तरफ.
Sun performance normal. Now the vehicle has gone into the clouds and you cannot see it from the outside cameras. But all the scientists are closely watching the parameters as they are being telemetered. You can see on the plot board here the time versus velocity of the vehicle, and you can see the blink that is coming, and that shows how the vehicle is going. And in the behind is the expected nominal performance of the vehicle plotted there, and you can see that it is going very closely following.
PSM का सेपरेशन पूर्ण हुआ.
The strap-ons have tightened, and we can see from the plot boards that the vehicle parameters are very good, and the vehicle is going precisely on the expected thing. This is an animation of the this is the ground trace of the vehicle following the expected path precisely.
92 सेकंड पर 6 स्ट्रैप ऑन व्हीकल से अलग हो चुके हैं.
All the strap-on separations have been completed. PS1 separation at 110 seconds have been completed, and PS2 ignition has started. Everything going as per the precise plan.
110 सेकंड पर PS2 इंजन का भी इग्निशन हो गया है. अब इस समय द्रव ईंधन वाला इंजन कार्य कर रहा है. आप देखेंगे जो डॉट फ्लिकर कर रहे हैं वो हमारे जो पहले से जो तय किया रास्ता है उसके ऊपर चल रहे हैं.
PS2 performance
सही पथ पर है.
The second stage is performing perfectly as planned. It is closely following the predetermined path precisely. At 165 seconds time, now the velocity is 2.6 km per second, altitude of 106 kilometers, and the performance is on dot as expected. Plus 3 minutes. is good.
हीट शील्ड का सेपरेशन हुआ.
Heat shield separation, which is protecting the spacecraft until the atmospheric regime has been separated safely. And the Chandrayaan spacecraft now is exposed to the external environment.
ऊष्मा कवच को 193 सेकंड बाद अलग किया गया था.
Now the vehicle is going on the closed loop mode at 130 seconds or so. It has gone into the closed loop so that any vehicle deviations are corrected by the onboard computer, and the corrected vehicle steering will be implemented. It's in the closed loop guidance mode.
Plus 4 minutes. हमारा द्रव ईंधन वाला दूसरा चरण 260 सेकंड तक काम करेगा T0 से.
All the performance in the second stage is as expected.
दूसरा चरण 134 किलोमीटर की ऊंचाई तक इस रॉकेट को ले जाएगा.
Yes, second stage is done, and the second stage has been separated, and the third stage ignition has taken place as expected.
अब इस समय ठोस ईंधन वाला तीसरा मंजिल रॉकेट काम कर रहा है. ये रॉकेट को 166 किलोमीटर की ऊंचाई तक ले जाएगा.
The third stage nominal ignition time is 261 seconds, and it has been ignited at 262.7 seconds. Very good, close following the predetermined path.
तीसरा चरण अपने ज्वलन के बाद कुछ देर तक कोस्ट करेगा और इसे 512 सेकंड बाद रॉकेट से अलग किया जाएगा.
The third stage is also performing as expected. All the scientists closely watching the progress of this excellent launch that is taking place. Historic launch of PSLV C11 taking the Chandrayaan spacecraft into
इस
an
समय
orbit.
उड़ान को भरे हुए 335 सेकंड हो चुके हैं और इस समय रॉकेट की गति 6.2 किलोमीटर प्रति सेकंड है और इस समय 137 किलोमीटर की ऊंचाई पर है.
At this time the vehicle is at an altitude of 137 kilometers and the inertial velocity is 6.7 kilometers per second.
Plus 6 minutes.
The range of more than 1000 kilometers has been traveled. Excellent nominal performance so far. The ground trace is being shown here. It is following steady azimuth of travel as predetermined.
अभी आप इस उड़ान के मुख्य अंश देख रहे हैं.
400 seconds of flight. The velocity is 7.34 kilometers per second. The ground trace steady on its course.
इस समय उड़ान भरे हुए 411 सेकंड हो गए हैं और रॉकेट की गति 7.33 किलोमीटर प्रति सेकंड है और इस समय 148 किलोमीटर की ऊंचाई पर है. अब हमें इंतजार है 5-12 सेकंड का जब तीसरा चरण रॉकेट से अलग होगा. उड़ान के 440 सेकंड पूरे हुए. जब आपने देखा था रॉकेट जब छूटा गया था तो बादलों की वजह से कुछ देर के लिए रॉकेट आपको दिखाई नहीं दिया होगा, लेकिन रॉकेट अपने गंतव्य की ओर ठीक से चल रहा था. केवल बादलों की वजह से आप तक उस दृश्य को हम दिखा नहीं सके.
All the information that's being telemetered from the vehicle and all the vehicle parameters show the vehicle so far has gone very normally, following the predetermined path very closely. An excellent launch so far. All the scientists nevertheless are closely watching all the parameters of the vehicle.
हमारे संगठन के अध्यक्ष महोदय उड़ान पर नजर रखे हुए हैं।
You can see the chairman, Indian Space Research Organization, Dr. Madhavan Nair, and other senior colleagues closely watching the performance of the vehicle.
उड़ान के 514 सेकंड पूरे हुए और PS3 स्टेज सेपरेट हो गई है।
The third stage has been separated at 514 seconds, precisely as expected. Vehicle performance very normal. As you can see, at 535 seconds, vehicle has attained. Now the fourth stage ignition also has taken place. The final fourth stage, which will take the vehicle into the desired orbit, has ignited at 535.8 seconds as planned.
इस रॉकेट के अंतिम चरण PS4 का इग्निशन हो चुका है 535 सेकंड बाद उड़ान के शुरू होने से, और ये PS4 करीब 500 सेकंड से ज्यादा काम करेगा। परफॉर्मेंस नॉर्मल।
We can see from the information that has come from the systems that the performance of the fourth stage is also normal, and we expect very normal performance from now onwards. The vehicle has started nicely and giving the thrust as planned.
हमारे केंद्र के बहुत ही वरिष्ठ वैज्ञानिक अध्यक्ष महोदय डॉक्टर जी माधवन नायर इस उड़ान की सभी गतिविधियों पर नजर रखे हुए हैं।
You are seeing here the large number of separation and ignition events. The separation events are very critical events in any launch vehicle mission, and the spent stages of the multi-stage launch vehicle have to be separated from the main vehicle once their intended purpose is completed, and the separation should be smooth and collision free under all possible circumstances. So we consider separation events are mission critical, and utmost importance is given in designing robust and clean separation processes. That's why when each time a successful separation is there are
velocity and altitude increases close to
mission
normal.
control center, and the scientists and the spectators applaud the successful separation.
इस समय उड़ान के 656 सेकंड पूरे हुए। रॉकेट की गति 7.68 किलोमीटर प्रति सेकंड है और इस समय 193 किलोमीटर की ऊंचाई पर है। ये जो चौथा चरण है इसका पूरा ज्वलन काल 515 सेकंड है।
The fourth stage you can see on the plot board, steadily increasing the velocity and gaining the altitude, and this is a ground trace, steadily keeping on the course of its azimuth travel, and everything is in good control. Talking about the separation systems, I want to tell you that in this mission there are 9 separation events in total. First is the ground strap-on separation, and they are separated nicely as you have seen. Then the air lead strap-on are separated, and then the first stage is separated at around 58 kilometers, and then after ignition of the PS2 stage, nicely the 4 unleashed motors will be separated, and later the payload fairings are separated after reaching an altitude of around 116 kilometers. And the second stage is separated at 260 seconds at approximately an altitude of 134 kilometers, and the PS3 stage is separated around an altitude of around 167 kilometers. These are all the separations that have already taken place nicely, and the fourth stage ignition is going on, and all the spectators are closely following the progress of the vehicle from the intended things. And this is the visitors gallery with all the senior colleagues and the visitors, senior visitors are here closely seeing the performance.
इस समय उड़ान को 770 सेकंड पूरे हुए हैं। PS4 जो चरण है इसका ज्वलन काल 515 सेकंड है और ये उड़ान के 1049 सेकंड बाद पूर्ण होगा। जिस समय इसका ज्वलन काल पूरा होगा उस समय रॉकेट की ऊंचाई 437 किलोमीटर होगी तथा इसकी गति 9.72 किलोमीटर होगी। अभी आपने देखा कि इस रॉकेट के जिन जिन चरणों ने काम कर लिया था उनका सेपरेशन हुआ। मुख्य सेपरेशन अभी तक जो थे वो फर्स्ट स्टेज, सेकंड स्टेज, थर्ड स्टेज पूरा हो चुका है। अब चौथा चरण इस समय अपने कार्य में जुटा हुआ है।
The next major event will be the cutoff of the fourth stage after the required orbit and the required velocity increments are achieved, and then the Chandrayaan spacecraft itself will be separated at around 1090 seconds after liftoff, and at this point of time the altitude reached would be more than 500 kilometers. At this moment the altitude is 244 kilometers.
Plus 14 minutes.
And the final separation event, however, will come after several days later, and that will be the exciting separation of the Moon Impact Probe from the Chandrayaan after it is in the lunar orbit, and that of course will take place after large number of maneuvers to reach the moon later.
इस समय उड़ान के 860 सेकंड पूरे कर चुके हैं और करीब 180 सेकंड बाद जो है PS4 का पृथक्करण होगा। और PS4 के इस ज्वलन काल के बंद होने के बाद थोड़ी देर बाद PS4 स्टेज को चंद्रयान से अलग किया जाएगा। ये अलग होने का समय उड़ान से 1096 सेकंड बाद है, और जिस समय ये चंद्रयान PS4 चरण से अलग होगा उस समय उसकी ऊंचाई होगी 508 किलोमीटर।
Ground trace is on the perfect path that's being shown, the blink that is there. One of the aspects of launch clearance protocol that is followed in Indian Space Research Organization is to consider the aspects of space object proximity analysis. This refers to the analysis of collision risk with other space objects and space debris. Potential collisions during the mission can be avoided by adjusting the time of the launch within specified launch window, and this analysis is routinely carried out as a standard practice for all the launches from Sriharikota, and this is also done for today's launch as well, and there was no concern from the space object proximity analysis point of view, and everything.
अभी समय उड़ान के 957 सेकंड पूरे हुए हैं और रॉकेट की गति है 8.82 किलोमीटर प्रति सेकंड, और इस समय है 335 किलोमीटर की ऊंचाई पर है। PS4 चरण अभी अपना ज्वलन काल उसका जारी है।
Now the velocity that is attained by the vehicle is now 8.9 km per second. It is reaching the target velocity for the orbit for separating the Chandrayaan soon. It will take a few more seconds from now, and after that orbit is achieved, the fourth stage will be cut off, and after some time, a few seconds later, the Chandrayaan spacecraft also will be separated to have its own orbit around Earth, elliptic orbit, and for future maneuvers to go into the moon.
अभी हमने उड़ान के 1010 सेकंड पूरे किए हैं और अभी से 39 सेकंड बाद 17 मिनट इसके PS4 का ज्वलन काल पूरा होगा।
Okay, Chandrayaan has, as you may be knowing, there are 11 payload scientific instruments on Chandrayaan-1 spacecraft, and it's intended to have for expansion of our scientific knowledge about the moon, upgrade India's technological capability for outer space exploration, and to provide challenging
पूरा हुआ 1052 सेकंड पर PS4 अपना काम पूरा करके कट ऑफ कर दिया गया है।
Now, excellent that the PS4 has been shut off after achieving the appropriate orbit for the mission, and we see that the orbit achieved is around 256 kilometers perigee and 22,866 kilometers apogee. This is the perfect orbit, that's the intended orbit, and the preliminary analysis shows that it is we have achieved this intended orbit. The final precise orbit will be tested.
है चंद्रयान के अलग होने का रॉकेट से। चंद्रयान जो है
Chandrayaan separated from the rocket, and it is in its very beautiful, exciting, very good orbit. Once again, we have achieved a perfect launch. PSLV-C11, a momentous launch.
Mission Director, PSLV-C11 has placed the Chandrayaan spacecraft in its orbit. The mission of C11 is completed.
Day to day. Thank you very much for being with us, and this is an excellent mission that we have, a textbook mission, a perfect mission, and we are expecting all the scientists are in jubilation, and we expect the chairman Indian Space Research Organization to speak to all the viewers.
PSLV की उड़ान पूरी हुई, अब PSLV की उड़ान पूरी हुई है। अब थोड़ी देर में अब आप हमारे अध्यक्ष महोदय का संदेश सुनेंगे। सभी जगह खुशी की लहर दौड़ रही है।
Please see the jubilation of the scientists here, and please stand by for the message from the chairman, Indian Space Research Organization, Dr. G. Madhavan Nair. He is there coming, and you can see him, and he will soon speak to you about this exciting mission success. Dr. Madhavan Nair.
Dear colleagues and friends, it's a historic moment as far as India is concerned. We have started our journey to the moon, and the first leg of the journey has gone perfectly well. It's a remarkable performance by the launch vehicle. Every parameter was on the dot, as you have seen in the plot board. The spacecraft has been given the sufficient velocity and altitude. It has been left at the right direction. Now it will be orbiting the Earth with around 23,000 kilometers as an apogee and about 250 kilometers as a perigee. And we will be using subsequently the spacecraft engine for raising the orbit to the lunar height of nearly 400,000 kilometers. Today, what we have started is a remarkable journey for the Indian spacecraft to go to the moon and try to unravel the mysteries of the moon. I must take this opportunity to congratulate every one of you who have really contributed to this great success. In fact, we have been fighting against all odds in the last 4 days. There was heavy rains, thunderstorms, but fortunately we had a clear sky and no lightning activity, and we could achieve what we wanted in the first leg of our journey. We will be completing the remaining part of the journey in about 15 days, and our teams are well equipped and practice their mission sequences, and it will be implemented from our lunar deep space tracking network at Bailalu near Bangalore. Once again, my heartiest congratulations to all my colleagues in ISRO and outside for this remarkable job. We salute everyone who made this possible. The visionaries who laid foundation for this organization, built the team ISRO, who envisioned this Chandrayaan mission, who supported it, and all the members of the ISRO family and their family who worked day and night for this. This is the beginning of a new era. Thank you.
We could not have asked for more. Words don't come. Okay. But then I have seen continuous working all these days with all odds, and nature, whenever we wanted, gave us the necessary breaks to continue the work. I have seen the moon coming in between and peeping us at how we are working. I thank each one of you, the ISRO team, industries and the institutions and their families for having made this a big success. Thank you.
An excellent teamwork. We overcome all the hurdles and we got the reward for that. Thank you.
At ISRO Satellite Center, we have made the finest satellite, the Chandrayaan-1. Now Chandrayaan-1 is in orbit. We assure you the spacecraft will go to moon. In a few days' time, we'll have an orbit around the moon. All the best to all the people from ISRO Satellite Center, ISTRAC and the entire satellite community. Thank you.
It's a great teamwork of all centers and units of ISRO. The phase 1 of the big mission is completed and we hand over for the phase 2 to the next teams. Especially I congratulate all ISRO employees, especially the employees of Satish Dhawan Space Center, SHAR. Thank you.
Today it is a red letter day for ISRO. We have successfully completing the first phase of the Chandrayaan mission, and this was possible by spending sleepless night over the last 4 or 5 months. And I congratulate each and every person who was involved in this mission and who worked continuously for getting this success. Thank you very much.
I thank one and all to made us and our team to be a part of this historic moment. This is a culmination of last 4.5 years work here, and our baby is on the way to the moon. It has taken the first step, solar panels deployed, and its health is good, and we are all the way to the moon. Maybe another 15 days from now, it has reached its final destination and supposed to do its function for the next 2 years. Thank you one and all.
We hit the bullseye once again. It's a very glorious mission, full of challenges. Congratulations to each and everyone involved in this PSLV C-11 Chandrayaan mission, and all the best for your future mission operations. Thank you.
I want to take this opportunity to congratulate and compliment each one of the members in the launch vehicle team who have made it possible. And now ISTRAC has already started getting signals from different ground stations which are tracking Chandrayaan already. The work has commenced for us from our control center. We'll take care of the baby and also see to it that it will reach moon and does the mission a grand success. Thank you one and all.
It's a historic event. It's a historic success. Once again, the teamwork of ISRO has triumphed over all odds, and we could make it. And at this juncture, I congratulate all of you and also thank the entire team here who have made this possible. And I'm sure with this success, we are ready to take over many more challenges, and we are going to see many more spectacular success. Thank you.
This mission has proved that PSLV C-11 is a PSLV vehicle, is really a weatherproof vehicle, and this can be even used for going into the Mars and beyond the other planets. And I wish to salute all the ISRO teams and all great people and all the supporters for this great mission. Thank you.
It is a thrilling experience to work for such a missions, and it is a fantastic thing, and congratulations to one and all for the entire ISRO team. Thank you.
We thank all the team members who participated for this program, and thank all of you who are viewing this program. Thanks again.
Friends, this is a moment of real exhilaration, jubilation. वो क्या बोल सकते हैं हिंदी में, वो रोमांचक एक क्षण है। हम प्रफुल्ल हैं, इधर हम तालियां देख चुके हैं और वैज्ञानिकों ने गले लगाया, और बाहर जो लोग बैठे हैं वो इतने हंसमुख है। ये जो जॉय है, इसको वर्णन करने में कुछ शब्द बाकी नहीं रह गया है। हालांकि इस पृष्ठभूमि के बारे में, मतलब ये चंद्रयान के जो पृष्ठभूमि है उसके बारे में थोड़ा हम छानबीन करें तो ये जानकर आपको आश्चर्य की बात होगी कि प्रायः अनेक क्षेत्रों में ये जो शिल्प कला विज्ञान, जो स्पेस टेक्नोलॉजी बोलते हैं, उसका उपयोग होता है। जो इनसैट को प्रयोग करने वाले क्षेत्र हैं दूरसंचार, टेलीकम्युनिकेशंस, और प्रसारण, जो ब्रॉडकास्टिंग, और व्यापारिक संचार, बिजनेस कम्युनिकेशन, मोबाइल कम्युनिकेशन, टेलीमेडिसिन, और तलाश तथा मुक्ति कार्य जो बहुत अनिवार्य है, सर्च एंड रेस्क्यू मिशंस, उपग्रह नौविद्या, सैटेलाइट नेविगेशन, अंतरिक्ष विद्या, मीटियोरोलॉजी, आपातकाल प्रबंध सहायता, डिसास्टर मैनेजमेंट सपोर्ट, ग्राम साधन केंद्र, विलेज रिसोर्स सेंटर, ऐसे अनेक क्षेत्र हैं जहां पर ये जो उपग्रह विद्या है, जो उपग्रह कला है, जो शिल्प कला विज्ञान, स्पेस टेक्नोलॉजी है, उसका इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा है। और ये IRS के उपयोग करने वाले क्षेत्र हैं प्राकृतिक आधार निर्वहन, नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज मैनेजमेंट, प्राकृतिक आधार ज्ञान प्रणाली, नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम। ये अर्थात जल, वन, कृषि, धरती, धातु, वातावरण, समंदर आदि से संबंधित जुड़ा हुआ कार्यों में ये टेक्नोलॉजी, ये तकनीक काम आता है। भारतीय अंतरिक्ष कार्यक्रम का लक्षण रहा है अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सहयोग। संयुक्त राष्ट्र संघ के साथ साथ भी तालमेल रखकर भारत अनेक कार्य कर रहा है। उन्नतिशील देशों को अंतरिक्ष कार्यों में प्रशिक्षण प्रदान करने में भी भारत शेयर्स, अंग्रेजी में शेयर्स नामक एक संस्था की स्थापना भी कर चुकी है। ये जो चंद्रयान 1, वो एक अंतरिक्ष यान जिसकी परिमाण है 1300 किलो। भारतीय अंतरिक्ष अनुसंधान संघ इसरो के द्वारा बनाया गया ये अंतरिक्ष यान चंद्रमा के भौगोलिक तथ्यों की उसका निरीक्षण के लिए भेजा जा रहा है। ये भारत, अमेरिका, यूरोपियन अंतरिक्ष संघ, बुल्गारिया की 11 वैज्ञानिक उपकरणों को, पेलोड्स को साथ लेके जा रहा है। इसरो तथा फ्रांसीसी अंतरिक्ष संघ दोनों मिलकर 2009-2010 2009-2010 सालों में संयुक्त वायुमंडलीय उपग्रह नियोग, जो मेगा टॉपिक्स बोलते हैं, उसके प्रस्थान की योजना तय किए हैं। और ये we should know what is Chandrayaan. Chandrayaan is a scientific investigation by spacecraft of the moon. The name Chandrayaan means Chandra, moon, Yan, vehicle. Chandrayaan 1 is the first Indian planetary science and exploration mission. It will take about 5.5 days for Chandrayaan 1 to get to the moon. Now that it has been successfully launched, Chandrayaan 1 spacecraft will be in a 100-kilometer polar orbit around the moon. Well, now to a sort of background into the space age. Though the moon is familiar to humans since time immemorial, though human beings were able to clearly see and appreciate the surface features of the moon only 4 centuries ago, following the invention of the telescope. After the dawn of the space age in October 1957, moon became the prime target of exploration, partly due to its proximity to Earth. And it is a very interesting fact to note that only the Earth has such a big moon, almost the size of the Earth or even more. In September 59, Soviet Luna 2 hit the lunar surface, while Luna 3 took the photographs of the far side of the moon and transmitted them to Earth. In 1966, Luna 9 gently landed on the lunar surface. In the late 60s and the early 70s, Soviet spacecraft brought back soil and rock samples from the moon and landed Lunokhod 1 and 2 robotic vehicles on the lunar surface. Another interesting fact to note is that this Indian spacecraft unmanned spacecraft that has been launched to the moon a few minutes before, it has got a very unique feature which other lunar missions did not possess, that of infrared ray mapping facility, which can map the surface, the darker surface of the moon, which is away from the light, the potholes of the moon, the depth of the craters, so that it can, explore whether there is any water content, any feasibility or possibility of the moon containing any water, and also helium, a very good source of energy. In the past few years, there has been a renaissance with regard to lunar explorations. Many countries and international space agencies, including the European Space Agency, Japan, China, the US and Russia, India happening to be the fifth country to join the bandwagon, or the elite, have undertaken or in the process of undertaking unmanned exploratory missions to the moon. These missions intend to seek answers to some of the fundamental questions that concern the moon. India's Chandrayaan-1 is an integral part of that renewed interest of the international scientific community about the moon. Well, friends, दिवाली के पहले ही आ गई है दिवाली. हाँ, ये खुशियों से भरा वातावरण है. हर नागरिक, हर भारतीय नागरिक आत्मगौरव और स्वाभिमान का अनुभव महसूस कर रहा है. इस महान भाव को अपने कर्मों से साकार किया इसरो के वैज्ञानिकों ने. उनको राष्ट्र का अभिनंदन सदैव रहेगा. इस महान घटना का वर्णन किए वैज्ञानिक अंग्रेजी में डॉक्टर वी आधिमूर्ति तथा हिंदी में श्री N.K. गुप्ता, उनको हमारी तरफ से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. इस खुशी के साथ मैं रामस्वामी सुदर्शन आप मेरे बंधुओं को वापस लिए चल रहा हूं आकाशवाणी के स्टूडियो को. That was a defining moment in the history of Indian space saga. A landmark achieved, India has announced its thunderous arrival into the committee of very select and elite moon orbiters. Hopefully by 2014 we may expect an unmanned landing on the surface of the moon. A salute for the pioneering efforts of the scientific community. The commentary in English on the epoch-making event was by Dr. V. Adhimurthy in English and by Shri N.K. Gupta in Hindi. With these few words, signing off from Sriharikota, Satish Dhawan Space Center, Shar, with my engineering colleague Shri P.G. Rajendran, S. Arunagiri and M. Selvam, is Ramaswamy Sudarshan of All India Radio, Chennai. Over to the studios of All India Radio.
You were listening to a direct relay from Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota, on the launch of Chandrayaan-1 spacecraft.
अभी आप सतीश धवन स्पेस सेंटर श्रीहरिकोटा से चंद्रयान प्रथम अंतरिक्ष यान के प्रक्षेपण का आंखों देखा हाल सुन रहे थे. यह कार्यक्रम आकाशवाणी के दिल्ली केंद्र से प्रसारित किया गया.